Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to fix animation text on Instagram not working. For that, we need to go to Play Store, update your Instagram account. After updating Instagram account, just open Instagram account. And here we need to go to profile. After going profile, click on three horizontal lines on top side corner. Go to settings and privacy. Just scroll down. Here we need to click on help center. After that, we need to report a problem. And here we need to report the problem. And here we need to tap on include and continue. Did you have any screenshot of Insta animation text was not coming? Means did you have a screenshot? Please upload here. After uploading, here you need to give the brief explanation. Here my animations text was not working. So like this you can give, and after that we need to send it. So within 24 hours they will rectify your problem. Thank you.